Welcome to the Florida NNN 1031 Exchange Investment Strategy presentation. Discover how Florida NNN properties and the 1031 Exchange are powerful tools for building and preserving wealth. Florida offers unique advantages for 1031 buyers, including no personal state income tax, leading population and job growth, and strong in-migration from high-tax states. Its pro-business regulatory climate attracts national brands, ensuring strong rental performance and resilient commercial demand. Investing in Florida NNN properties comes with numerous benefits. Tenants pay taxes, insurance, and maintenance, providing true passive income. Long-term leases with credit-rated tenants minimize landlord responsibilities, and the absence of personal state income tax enhances profitability. The growing economy offers new construction and pre-market opportunities. Explore Florida's fastest-growing NNN markets, from SW Florida to the Panhandle. Each region offers unique opportunities, with cities like Naples, Orlando, Tampa, and Miami leading the way in growth and investment potential. Discover the top NNN asset types in Florida, including dollar stores, drug stores, fast food, convenience stores, and medical NNNs. These asset types provide diverse investment opportunities across the state. Income Realty Advisors are your Florida NNN experts, offering acquisition specialization, access to new and pre-construction opportunities, and advisory services to real estate developers and retailers. They provide 1031 exchange expertise and trusted advisory to high net worth and institutional clients. Ready to take the next steps in your investment journey? Visit FloridaNNN.com, schedule a 1031 exchange strategy call, find replacement properties that match your budget and risk preferences, and contact 1031x.com for qualified intermediary support.